The contestant currently leading the media award is Eland or Yen.
Butterfly.
Arthur.
Gilda. Vera.
Zuka.
Kilgroth. Liliana.
Aya.
GRAKK. Wideneck.
Stewart. Eland or
Omega. Erin. Flowborn Null.
Dextra. Emily. Nakrod.
Atta. Iggy. Orma.
Bright. Triuvan.
Celica.
Sephora.
You.
Laville.
Slims.
Krynov.
Liliana.
Nakros.
Iggy.
Laville.
Douchan.
Kilgroth. GRAKK.
Saphira. Butterfly.
Zhao Yang. Elandor. Kriegnock.
Aya. Yue.
Stuart. Gildu.
This is the top 8 finalists.
Kilgroth.
Congratulations to Nakrod. Congratulations to Sephora.
Congratulations, GRAKK. Congratulations, Iggy.
Congratulations to Krynok.
Liliana.
And the top media from Eland or the performance score of the
Kilgroth.
9.5.
9.2. 9.6.
9.5.
8.6.
the performance score of the Nakroth.
9.1.
10. 8.9.
9.5.
9.2.
The performance score of the Sephora.
8.6.
8.4. 9.1.
9.1.
8.8.
The performance score of the
GRAKK.
9.3.
8.6. 8.6.
8.9.
9.2.
the performance score of the
Iggy.
9.9.
10. 9.3.
9.
9.
the performance score of the Krynok.
8.6.
8.8. 8.4.
8.4.
8.6.
the performance score of the
Liliana.
9.5.
10. 9.9.
9.1.
10.
The performance score of the Eland or
9.
8.9. 9.1.
8.7.
8.7.
the top model award goes to
GRAKK.
the Environment Ambassador Award goes to Zuka. The Closed Door Interview Award goes to
Oma.
and this is the top 4 finalists.
Kill growth. Congratulations, Iggy.
Nakrod,
Congratulations, Liliana.
The second runner-up is
Kill growth.
and the first runner-up is
Liliana.
and the winner of the Hello, I'm the Winner competition is
Nakrod.